Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Leche Flan with Tipid tips. To begin, let's talk about smart ingredient choices. You can easily save money by using fewer egg yolks, perhaps just 4 or 5 instead of the usual 6 or 8. Also, consider substituting a portion of the evaporated milk with an equal amount of water or fresh milk. Making your own caramel from plain sugar and a little water is also much cheaper than buying pre-made. These small adjustments make a big difference. Continuing our budget-friendly journey, let's refine our ingredient selection. Opt for local, fresh eggs. They are typically more economical and just as good. Instead of relying solely on condensed milk, try using 1 can of condensed milk combined with about 1/4 cup of granulated sugar for sweetness. A tiny splash of vanilla extract, perhaps 1/2 teaspoon, adds a wonderful aroma and flavor without adding much to your overall cost. Now, let's focus on efficient preparation methods to save both time and resources. Steaming your Leche Flan is generally more energy efficient than baking it in an oven, reducing your electricity bill. Always ensure your anuras or molds are well greased with caramel to prevent any sticking, which could lead to waste. Cook the flan for approximately 30 to 45 minutes, or until the center is just set and firm. Finally, let's talk about maximizing your delicious Leche Flan's lifespan and enjoyment. Always chill your flan for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight, before serving for the best texture and flavor. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 or 4 days. Serving in modest, thoughtful portions also helps your homemade treat last longer, ensuring everyone gets to enjoy it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.